Today, let's learn 100 of the most common leisure, sports and entertainment words in British English. Part A. Leisure and hobbies. Hobby. What is your favorite hobby? Game. We played a fun board game. Puzzle. I finished a 500-piece puzzle. Reading. She enjoys reading novels. Drawing. He spent the afternoon drawing. Painting. Painting helps me relax. Craft. The children made paper crafts. Photography. I love photography during holidays. Gardening. My mom does gardening every weekend. Cooking. He enjoys cooking Italian food. Baking. She's baking cookies for the party. Collecting. He is collecting stamps from different countries. Music. I listen to music while studying. Singing. She is singing in the school choir. Dancing. They went dancing at the club. Fishing. We went fishing by the lake. Knitting. Grandma is knitting a scarf. Walking. I go walking every evening. Cycling. He goes cycling on Sundays. Camping. They went camping in the woods. Hiking. We went hiking in the hills. Watching TV. She is watching TV in the lounge. Playing cards. We played cards all night. Shopping. I went shopping for new clothes. Traveling. Traveling is a great way to learn. Sports and physical activities. Sport. What is your favorite sport? Football. They played football in the park. Basketball. He plays basketball with his friends every Saturday. Tennis. She practices tennis to improve her serve. Badminton. She played badminton with her brother. Running. Running keeps me fit. Swimming. I go swimming every Saturday. Gymnastics. My sister practices gymnastics after school. Yoga. I do yoga to relax. Martial arts. He is learning martial arts. Skating. They went skating at the rink. Skiing. We went skiing in the Alps. Surfing. Surfing is popular in Cornwall. Climbing. We did indoor climbing yesterday. Horse riding. She loves horse riding. Cricket. Cricket is a summer sport. Rugby. He joined the school rugby team. Golf. My uncle plays golf on weekends. Table tennis. We played table tennis in the garage. Volleyball. They played a fun game of volleyball on the beach. Bowling. Bowling is fun with friends. Boxing. He trains at a boxing gym. Skateboarding. He practices skateboarding every day. Baseball. They watched a baseball match at the stadium. Exercising. Exercising helps me stay healthy. Brilliant work. You've learned 50 of the most common leisure, sports and entertainment words organized by theme. Let's move on to part B. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.